The 5 best insurances for new drivers in USA. Getting your driver's license is exciting, but finding the right car insurance, that's a whole different challenge, especially if you're a new driver. With little or no driving history, insurance can get expensive. But don't worry, there are companies that offer great coverage at reasonable rates, even for beginners. Let's break down the top 5 best car insurance options for new drivers in the USA, from budget-friendly to feature-packed. Number 5. Liberty Mutual. Customization meets convenience. Liberty Mutual is a solid choice for new drivers thanks to its flexible coverage options and useful add-ons. You can build a policy that suits your needs and your budget. What stands out is their Right Track program, which monitors your driving habits and can save you up to 30% if you drive safely. That's a huge bonus for responsible beginners. They also offer accident forgiveness, which is helpful if you're nervous about that first fender bender. Overall, it's a great mix of tech and trust. Number 4. Nationwide. Smart tools and student-friendly. Nationwide is another top pick for new drivers, especially if you're a student. They offer solid discounts for good grades, being part of certain organizations, and even for completing safe driving courses. Their Smart Ride program is similar to Liberty Mutual's. It tracks your driving and rewards safe habits. Plus, Nationwide is known for strong customer service and helpful mobile tools. If you want a company that supports you as you learn and grow as a driver, this one's a great fit. Number 3. Progressive. Competitive pricing for tech-savvy drivers. Progressive is known for being budget-friendly and is especially attractive for new drivers who want to compare quotes quickly. Their Name Your Price tool lets you adjust coverage to match what you can afford, and with their Snapshot program, you can earn discounts based on how and when you drive. They also offer accident forgiveness and discounts for having multiple policies, so if your parents already use Progressive, you might be able to bundle up and save big. Number 2. State Farm. Best for student discounts and personal service. State Farm is one of the most popular insurance companies in the US, and for good reason. It's especially great for younger drivers thanks to their Steer Clear program, which offers big discounts for drivers under 25 who complete safe driving training. They also have a strong network of local agents, so if you like having someone to talk to in person, this is your company. Their customer service is top tier, and their rates are competitive, especially with available student and safe driver discounts. Number 1. Geico. The go-to for affordable coverage, taking the top spot is Geico. Why? Because for most new drivers, Geico consistently offers some of the lowest rates in the country without cutting corners on coverage. They're easy to work with, have a fantastic app, and offer tons of discounts from safe driver incentives to good student deals, and even discounts for military families. For tech-savvy, cost-conscious new drivers, Geico is hard to beat. It's fast, affordable, and gets the job done without any drama. So, what's the right pick for you? If you want customization, Liberty Mutual. Looking for student perks? Go with Nationwide or State Farm. Want tech tools and pricing control? Progressive is a great fit. But if you just want solid, affordable coverage right now, Geico is your best bet. No matter which one you choose, remember, safe driving habits and a clean record are the fastest way to lower your rates over time. If this video helped you, give it a like and drop a comment. Which insurance company are you considering, or do you already use one of these? Let's help each other stay safe and save smart on the road.